puso at isip ng manonood.
Sana ulit tayo.
MMFF 50th Best Picture Award goes to ang una at pinakamahusay na pelikula ay Green Bones.
Check from Playtime is Miss Sophia.
Congrats po!
Salamat po. Thank you, Lord.
We'd like to thank the MMFF, the 50th year of MMFF, the MMFF and all the jurors for this Best Picture Award. I also want to share this award to all the 10, to the other 9 films in this Metro Manila Film Fest. Because to make a film, it takes blood, sweat, and tears, and resources. And talaga, we really risk it all because we want to tell a story. And I hope that people listen to all these wonderful, outstanding stories of these movies in this year's Metro Manila Film Festival. I'll give the floor to Nessa in a while so she can rightfully thank everyone involved in this movie. But I would like to say that we won this award because of the grace of God, and to God be the glory. Thank you.
Thank you so much to the jury. Thank you to MMFF. This is historic for us. This is a very big thing for GMA Pictures. It was really our aim to bring back the glory of the film studio. 25 years ago, we won for Muro Ami. 26 years ago for Jose Rizal. That was back-to-back. And this is back-to-back Firefly and Green Bones. I want to thank so many people, Misanet and I. The beautiful story of Green Bones was created by J.C. Rubio. We workshopped it for months with Sir Ricky. It was fleshed out all the characters with such heart. And then Ange flipped the storytelling around the script with his edit, and that was amazing. Direct Zig is running the ship and deserves so much recognition. So I want Direct Zig to thank our actors and the rest of the team.
Ayun naman po sa lahat, mula sa team ng Green Bones. Nagpapasalamat ako kami sa MMFF, sa MMDA, sa jury members. Maraming salamat. Ang pagkilalang ito ay magsisilbing inspirasyon para sa amin para gumawa pa ng mas maraming pelikula. Mga pelikula na hindi lamang magbibigay ng aliw, kundi bubuhay sa pag-asa at magbibigay ng inspirasyon para sa lahat. Siyempre, yung award na ito ay isang team yung gumawa sa GMA Pictures, kina Miss Annette, kina Ma'am Nessa, sa tiwala na binigay nila ulit sa akin. Last year, sumugal sila sa akin sa Firefly, tapos ngayon, sumugal ulit sila. Mahirap gumawa ng pelikula, hindi lang ng awards, kundi sana panoorin sila kasi for sure, binawa ng lahat yung makakaya na nila puso kaluluwa yung ibibigay. So sana bigyan natin ng pagkakataon ng 10 pelikula na pumasok sa iyong puso. Panoorin po natin lahat ng pelikula sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Ayun, gusto ko natin magpasalamat sa buong team ng Green Bones mula sa aming mga writers, sa alagad ng sining, si Sir Ricky Lee, sa Chemist Natch, sa Sweet, at syempre kay Sir GC para dun sa kanyang konsepto. Gusto ko lang din banggitin sina Sir Christian, sina si Bax, si Mel, marami pa, ang aming cinematographer, si Sir Will, production designer, si Mau, ang aking AD, si Chela Villanueva, ang aming script community, si Rena May. Nagpapasalamat din ako kay Len Calvo, sa aming colorist, si Miss Marilyn Magsaysay. And at the same time, ayun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng aming mga PAs, SO, drivers. Gusto ko lang din sabihin na ang last year pelikula namin ay inalan ito. And gusto ko lang din i-share ng award ito sa aking mentor, kay Armando Bilao, na nagturo sa akin ng mga maging tao at magpatao sa loob at labas ng production. Ang award po nito ay para po sa lahat ng naniniwala sa kapangyarihan ng pag-asa, ng paglaya, at lahat ng naniniwala sa kapangyarihan ng pangarap. Lahat ng naniniwala sa kapangyarihan ng pinito ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat po. Sorry, makalimutan ko. Gusto ko naman pasalamat sa aking mga artista, si Dennis Trillo, Churro Madrid, nagawa natin si Alex, sobrang lapit sa puso ko, si Sasa Casado, lahat ng aktor, nakakilala namin si Miss Ruby Luis, na aming coach. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Thank you.
Alright, let's bring it up once again for Anna Macbeth Best Picture, Green Bones. I'm so excited for watching this one, guys. What a big win for them. We would also like to congratulate all the winners from the different categories tonight. You all have made the industry so proud. Sobrang saya maging parte ng Pinoy film industry.
Para magbigay husay sa husay at galing ng mga Pinoy sa sining ng pelikula. Here's a special performance
For the next festival. Wala pa nga. Meron kaming concept pero hindi ko alam kung aabot siya for the next festival kasi medyo malaking project. We're so excited for that. Thank you, congrats.
May sunod ka mo sa mga cinemas na
Dumami na from parang dumoble na, more than double from the first day. So sana ay dumami pa ng dumami hanggat meron pang gustong manood, di ba?
and mas dadami pa dahil
Sana,
Best Picture
sana.
ang
Sana.
Green Bones. Congratulations
Thank
po, Miss
you.
Annette.
Bumalakan.